Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x800704c7 on your Windows system, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on System on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Find the Windows Update Troubleshooter in the list and click on Run corresponding to it. This will run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The second solution is to clear the contents of the Software Distribution folder. This has been explained over a separate article and video. You can find the link in the article. Lastly, you could directly download the Windows ISO from the Microsoft website. Go to Microsoft.com and search for the ISO. After downloading it, you could use external media for the installation. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.